that NDA meeting which was underway. The Prime Minister, we are getting to know, that's the latest news coming in, had praised the Home Minister Amit Shah in the meeting. He had said that Amit Shah has made a record of being the longest serving Home Minister. That's the latest coming in. This is an inside scoop from that particular meeting, a meeting where the Prime Minister was felicitated, where the success of Operation Sindoor was hailed. Pragya on the phone line with us. Pragya, this is another big update coming in from that particular NDA parliamentary meeting. The Prime Minister, I believe, they're also praising the Home Minister, saying that Amit Shah's tenure is the longest serving Home Minister's tenure ever. Give us all the details of what the Prime Minister said in that meeting.
Meenakshi, very important. Prime Minister praised Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah for being the longest serving Home Minister, in fact. And in fact, he has said that the record of Lalkrish Advani was also broken. And in fact, Prime Minister also spoke about NDA's strength and also spoke about how it is going to complete 25 years and who all started it, like Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Lalkrish Advani, Nitish Kumar, George Fernandes, all were mentioned in that particular address. Prime Minister also spoke about how the opposition did a self-goal while demanding a discussion on Operation Sindoor, and how it is very serious, that the opposition questioned Operation Sindoor and Operation Mahadev. So obviously a comment on the narrative that was said by the opposition, and in fact Prime Minister spoke about Tiranga Yatra and also said that everyone should be present in Bharat Mandapam. He had in fact appealed to them to be present on August 12th for Tiranga Yatra. He also spoke about how August 15 is a very historical date. This date, in 2019, there was abrogation of Article 370, and in fact he spoke about how NDA and in fact Modi government has been instrumental in implementing Constitution in real sense, not like the opposition who keep on wavering Constitution and do not implement it. In fact, he said that we gave tribute to Baba Sahib Ambedkar by abrogating it, because the downtrodden, the SCs, STs and women got the rights that were written in the Constitution in Jammu and Kashmir as well. In fact, without mentioning Rahul Gandhi's name, Prime Minister also took a jibe at what Supreme Court said about Rahul Gandhi yesterday. He said that Supreme Court reprimanded yesterday, this was regarding people who have their ego and they speak anything without looking at the consequences what they speak about. So it was a very crucial address and very significant address to the NDA.
Absolutely, and it's a very significant address. Pragya, why don't you stay with us?